Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your account password on the Expert Option Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Expert Option Trading application on your device. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into the trading page. Now, if you wish to change your account password, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Profile. Now, from this page, tap on the security option at the bottom right corner. You will then see the password option. You can tap on this and now you can change your password. Just type in your current password within the old password box and then enter your desired new password underneath. Now type in this new password one final time for confirmation and then tap on the confirm button. You will now be told that your password has successfully been changed. And after this, you can use this new password to log into your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the Expert Option Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.